About a year ago, I set out to see if our vinyl and fabric paint would work. Now the question is, did it hold up? Let's find out. I did a color change. This is what the interior color used to be, and this is what I got out of that can. This is the passenger side, which does not get a whole lot of action, but even with the little action, we can see spots here. Here we have our general marks by the window. We also have some discoloration on the foam here, and the foam is actually a different color than the door panel, even though it came out of the same can. Overall, it doesn't look half bad, but I also did a lot better job prepping this one than I did the driver's side, and the driver's side gets more use. So let's check out that. Here we go. First and foremost, we can see it flakes off on the door panel here, and you can see the base color, and then even more wear on the armrest, as well as wear up here and by the window. So here's my takeaway. If you want to use this product for touch-ups, I'd say it's great. And if you're doing something and you're trying to color match what you already have, I'd say it's also great. But if you're looking to do a color change, I'd say look another direction. And obviously, from what we can see from what I did, you're going to want to make sure that you prep the surface properly and use an adhesion promoter to make this work best, so that you have better results than I did. Because let's be honest, I did a crap job. As always, thank you guys for watching. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day.